Hello, I'm Stuart from the Sebo shop at Manchester Vax. Today we're going to discuss what to do if your Sebo vacuum cleaner tells you that the bag is full, but you know the bag isn't full. So you've changed your bag, like the light tells you to, but when you switch your machine on, it still does this. If that red light stays on for more than a few seconds, the machine will switch itself off. It's designed to do that. That's a safety feature. Now, this is a very small problem that you can fix yourself, but this problem accounts for probably 95% of our inquiries about would-be warranty claims. So if your Sebo X series is doing this, here's what you do next. Observe this little peg. Make sure your wand is clipped onto it. Then gently remove the hose from the wand handle. On this side of the machine, there's a clip here, which you squeeze and the hose comes out. If the hose hasn't been out for a long time, it can be very stiff, but as long as you squeeze that hose will come out like so. If you have an older X1 type machine that has this type of clip on, it's the same principle, just slide it to one side and the hose will come out similarly. Now you have the hose, take a look down it like a telescope, hold it up against the window, make sure you can see daylight through it. If you can't, then it's blocked with something. In this case, this one we prepared earlier is blocked with that. That will cause your bag light to come on and your machine not to work. You must be able to see daylight down that hose. If you can see daylight down that hose, take off your wand, look through it like a telescope. Make sure you can see daylight through that too. If you need to unblock them, you can use a piece of old hose pipe, you can use a bit of garden cane. As long as you're careful, anything like that, just get the blockage out. And then when you put your machine back together, the problem should be solved. It isn't just the automatic X machines. Also the commercial Sebos have a similar principle. They have the same type of wand, the same type of hose, the same type of release clip. The only difference being that on the BS model, the bag warning light is a little orange light up at the top here. And on the Evolution model, there's a little indicator again on the top of the body. Other than that, the principle remains the same on these machines. The easy repair I've just showed you accounts for 95% of the problems that people contact us with for warranty purposes on Sebo vacuum cleaners. It's always what we ask people to check, but it's easier to show you than tell you, so that's why I've done this video. Now, if our shop links you to this video, and we'll say to you, please watch this video before you send us a machine in for repair. The reason for this is if you send us a machine for a warranty repair and it's simply blocked in the way that I've shown you, you will incur an unnecessary service charge and a return carriage charge. For everybody else, that's the easy way to fix your Sebo if it's got the problem with the red bag light coming on and it's switching itself off on its own. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.